G'day YouTube, welcome back. Ash from TNA Handcrafted here. Bit of a wet day today. Christmas Day we actually got smashed by an F2 tornado in southeast Queensland, which is unheard of. I've been cleaning up the damage and my chainsaw died. So I'm going to give you a little unboxing of my new chainsaw that I bought. It's only a little Victa 40cc, but still new chainsaw nonetheless. I had a pretty good response last time I did an unboxing. I'm going to do another one. Going to take you through a little montage now of some of the photos of some of the damage that's been in this area, because an F2 tornado does not happen in southeast Queensland, but it did. So let us roll with a couple of pictures. This is what's happened. So, in a lot of that damage and destruction, we're left with some trees down that I need to cut up. My old saw died, as I just said before, so I've had to buy a new one. Here is the new saw. Hope you like it. Here it is in its little glory. 40 cc's of Victa goodness. Oregon chain. It's only a 16-inch bar, but it'll do to get us through this madness. There we go, guys. It ain't much, but you know, a little sword's going to help me through these tough times. Get back to you on the next video. Love yous.